What do you personally find the most attractive in the gravitational wave studies? Okay, so when I entered the field many years ago, it was clear to me that it was not a mainstream field at the time. It was kind of very challenging, almost crazy enterprise, and I was led into that by a visionary man called Adalberto Giotto, named Adalberto Giotto, who initiated all this project. And what attracted me at that time, and still attracts me a lot, is the fact that we are trying to look into the dark universe and probe the very theory of gravity with an instrument that is completely new. The concept of this instrument is completely new. It didn't exist before, and so being among the people who contributed to develop this kind of new instruments is really exciting. And even more in the recent year, when I had the honor to be the project leader of Advanced VIRGO, which is so I am basically leading the team of people who are developing the technologies to further improve the sensitivity of these instruments and look much further in the universe with a real chance to detect gravitational wave for the first time. It's really what attracts me to this field and to this project.
And what maybe that gravitation wave? No.
Maybe there are no gravitational waves. Well, I always think of this possibility. Honestly, I'm pretty sure that very soon, in the next few years, we will detect gravitational waves, because now we think that we have the right instruments. And if with these instruments we see nothing, then it will be anyway a major discovery, because it means that something, either in the theory of gravity or most likely in the predictions of the astrophysicists on the population of the possible sources of gravitational waves, is basically wrong. So in any case, the scientific outcome will be very important. On the other hand, the evidence that we have of the existence of gravitational wave through the observation of the binary pulsars convinces us that we are very close to the discovery. So I will tell you, let's meet again in a few years to celebrate the discovery. There was a Nobel to Alsen Taylor for the observation of the binary pulsar PSR 1913 plus 16, which was granted because the extremely accurate observation of the motion of this pulsar led to the first indirect evidence of the existence of gravitational wave. And the agreement between the observation and the theory is impressive. And after that, several other similar systems have been observed, which confirms the observation of Alsen Taylor. So we have now a number of observations that show that these binary systems are losing energy in a way that is in agreement with the prediction of Einstein on the emission of gravitational waves.
Ученый, который занимается гравитационными волнами, он рискует всю жизнь как бы ими прозаниматься, и, может быть, их найдут через 200 лет. То есть Готов ли он как бы всю жизнь этому посвятить и не найти? Может быть, там внуки найдут. То есть, как бы...
Okay, I think I understand the question. I'm in this field already since almost 20 years, so it's a long time and still we have no discovery. So sometimes I feel like somebody who has invested all his money in one kind of stock, and then this stock fails and you lose all the money if there is no detection. But it's clearly these long-term enterprises for the scientists are risky because they are investing most of their professional life to make a single discovery, and then if the discovery doesn't come, what happens? I often ask myself this question, but this time I'm very optimistic because I'm strongly convinced that the instruments we are realizing here and the instruments, the similar instruments that have been realized in the United States called LIGO will work well and will do the discovery.